Want a natural glow that no makeup can match? Try this glow-boosting juice made with 4 magical ingredients: beetroot, carrot, apple, and lemon. Let's make it together. Take half a beetroot, 1 carrot, 1 apple, and half a lemon. Chop them into small pieces and blend them with a glass of water. Strain it, pour into a glass, and sip your way to glowing, healthy skin. Now let's talk about the benefits. Beetroot is packed with iron and antioxidants. It purifies your blood and gives your skin a natural pink glow. Carrot is rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which fight dullness and repair sun damage for smooth, radiant skin. Apple keeps your skin firm, youthful, and hydrated. It's like a mini anti-aging fruit in a glass. And lemon, the vitamin C hero, brightens your complexion and fades dark spots naturally. Drink this juice daily for just 7 days, and you'll notice the difference: fresh, glowing, and even toned skin from within. Because real beauty doesn't come from makeup, it comes from nature. Follow for more skin glow secrets you can sip.